We start with the coronavirus. A more contagious variant of COVID-19 has been found in California. This is where state health officials are warning people to avoid New Year's Eve gatherings. At the same time, the Los Angeles area hit a grim milestone as the state's most populous county, and it recorded more than 10,000 deaths. Authorities say another surge in hospitalizations could come if people ignore social distancing. Here's what California Governor Gavin Newsom said, speaking with Dr. Anthony Fauci.
We were informed that this new variant, this new strain that we've identified, obviously from the United Kingdom, some other parts of the globe, identified in Colorado yesterday, has been identified here in the state of California.
And Quick Take reporter Jennifer Sabasaja joins us from Phoenix with more on the story. Jen, thank you so much for being here, of course, and tell us more about this new strain that was found in California.
That's right, Renita. I mean, as we heard Governor Newsom say, this is the second confirmed case in the U.S. But really what experts have been saying for weeks is that they suspect this has already been spreading here in the U.S. now for some time. And we even heard Dr. Fauci say that in that same discussion with Governor Newsom on Wednesday. So what we know at this time about the case in California is that it is a 30-year-old male in San Diego who reportedly had not traveled. And that was the same case with the man that we saw in Colorado, who also appeared to have this new strain. So what this is all leading experts to suspect is that this may be spreading more than we anticipate. And so what we know about the specific strain in particular is that it is more transmissible than what we saw with the previous strain. So it's 70% more transmissible. But the one bit of good news is that although it appears to be more contagious, medical experts are saying that it's less likely that people are getting severe illness and dying as a result of this virus. Renita.
Thank you for asking or adding that, because a lot of people wanted to know if it is more deadly, if it does come out to be or impact more severe illnesses. But tell me something, what do we know about the current vaccine's ability to be able to fight off this new variant?
Right. So, Renita, that's a great point. And I think it's something that many people are wondering, right, especially as we're seeing the vaccine rollout happen. And so what we know, and Dr. Fauci actually has said this himself, is that the current Moderna and Pfizer vaccines still prove to be effective against the virus, despite this new strain that has been found. Even so, though, if experts need to adapt the vaccine, they can do so. But at the current time, they don't seem to think that they need to be doing that. And so really what experts are still encouraging people to do is to get the vaccine, because if it is found that this new strain is more contagious, if more people are getting sick, then even more people need to be inoculated, right? And so they are still encouraging people to get the vaccine, and especially because this vaccine rollout is happening a lot slower than what was anticipated at this time in the year, Renita.
Now, Jen, on that note, experts say that this increases the urgency for more Americans to get vaccinated because it raises the threshold of herd immunity. Now, previously, experts said that we would need 70% of the population to be inoculated to finally get this virus under control. What does that rise to?
Well, I think many people are just waiting to see what happens after this holiday, right? I mean, we saw record number of people traveling more than we have seen in the past few months. And so really people are just a bit concerned about what is going to happen after people leave their holiday gatherings, go back to their states, and especially as we're seeing this new strain emerge in different states. Dr. Fauci has said that he anticipates more states to find this strain. And so really they just need people to continue to be encouraged to get the vaccine to prevent any more spread. And so that's really what we're looking at right now, Renita.
Right. We're looking at that vaccine and any other signs of hope heading into 2021. Bloomberg Quick Take reporter Jennifer Sabasaja, thank you so much for your time.